that people who take the feedback positively, they grow in their life. People who are irritated with the feedback, so there is less areas of improvement, and yeah, they miss a lot. No one likes criticism, like I also do not. But yes, if you will take it in this way, that we have learned from one doha, no, Kabir ka, निंदक मेरे राखे आंगन कुटी छवाए बिनु पानी बिन सावना निर्मल करे सुहाय. I don't know whether the pronunciation is right or wrong, but yes, I really understood the meaning of this doha after coming in compliance, because what we as an auditor we do, we keep on finding the areas of improvement and correcting the site so that they can qualify the regulatory inspection easily, effortlessly. Means this does not mean that कि कुछ effort लगाना नहीं पड़ेगा. Yes, effort तो लगाना ही पड़ेगा, right? Nothing is free in this world. But yes, one should know that what areas of improvement are there. If the person is not having the knowledge or not having any awareness that what they should do, so that they can get the areas of their dreams, they can reach the place where they want to. Because in anyone's life, in fact in my life also, there were many areas in which I was suffering, but I was not knowing why I am suffering. I always kept on complaining that this is not good, that is problem, why to me? But when I came to know the fact, so really it changed me, the way I look the things, the way I am looking into the things, and the day when we change how we look or see the things, see the facts, our life also changes. So it really helped me. So that's why I was telling you that that is luck, that someone is giving you feedback so that you can improve. And if you will improve, so really you are there to get what you are dreaming about. So because you don't get what you want, but you get what you deserve and what you are. So that is the secret of our life. So that I also came to know this, and I have realization, so I'm sharing with you. So many things, really new things are coming on the way, and so that's why I love feedback. So even after so many things you will tell me, I will smile and keep on improving, because I know that these are the keys to open the lock of my success, right? These are the keys to open the doors for success. So that's why I was telling you that we should welcome the person who is giving us feedback. Okay, those are the things I wanted to tell you. So from today, what you are going to do, whether you are going to welcome your auditor or you are going to get irritated or that, oh my God, always some or the other things they bring on the table, and even after doing so much work, nothing is perfect. Yeah, Okay, so that's the thing I wanted to tell you, and now I will have to see the gate where it is, and I am flying back. Okay, with this message, Dr. Rupali Paranjape signing out until we meet again. Bye.